Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best conference centers using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to go to Orlando, big conference hub. Everybody wants to go to Orlando, Florida, so it makes it a popular place. We're going to set this to 25. Uh, Next, we're going to search for conference centers in our industry tab. Conference centers. As you see, we got a ton of them, so I'm going to add that. Next, key decision makers are looking for owners and founders, directors and executives. We are looking for one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll account for that case. Next, we're going to go to filters. We're going to set our review score first. It's my favorite filter, and it's just such a great filter to just limit out bad businesses, as you're only getting the businesses that are well received by their clients and customers. And the benefit to that is that they'll just be easier to work with. Like, you won't be having to chase them for money. They'll be more understanding, more collaborative. Next, to lock that in, we are also going to do ad pixels today. We want conference centers that we know will work with marketers, and this shows a lot of marketing intent. So what I'm doing is just I'm saying I want Facebook to appear, Google to appear, and LinkedIn to appear, but I'm just going to change just the or. So if Facebook and Google appears but LinkedIn doesn't, it will still give us the website. So I'm going to hit next on that, and we're going to move on to deliver. I am going to go ahead and just add all of these ones and just highlight important ones. The Google one's really important. GMB claimed is such an easy one, because if their business is listed, relatively high on your Google Maps search position, which you can check down here, but their business isn't claimed, it's just such an easy sale. Like, here's a easy problem, or here's a problem, and I'm the solution. You know, it's an easy problem to fix. You just go and list it on Google, right? Company social media is good. Let's say their SEO is bad, but their social media is really good. Obviously, they're not spending their money and they're not spending their money 100% in the correct place. Like, it could be divided a bit more fairly. Maybe they just don't even know about SEO. Like, SEO is a pretty daunting thing, to be honest. Revenue headcount did establish. Great for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are very insightful for intent, as we filtered above. Your technologies is also really good, as it can help you build your marketing package. For instance, if you're really good at WordPress and they have a WordPress website, and you can go in and improve that website, that's just like another service you can add. And finally, our SEO metrics, like search term, search location, search position, as I highlighted above when I was showing the Google or the GMB claimed, these are very insightful metrics. So I'm just going to hit next to lock that in, finish that up. We make sure to give it a title, conference centers in Orlando, like I did. Set your contacts required. I always save a draft in case I want to cancel it to change something. I'm not starting from scratch. But that being said, we are going to launch this task. As you can see, conference centers in Orlando, it's allocating, which means our team has it and it should be ready in roughly 24 hours. And with that being said, that's how you find the best conference centers using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.